Hello everyone, welcome to Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss about another DB2 SQL function, which is variance underscore samp. So this function is mainly used to calculate the sample variance for the given or passed column. Okay, so there are two alternative names for this function. One is variance underscore samp, another one is var underscore samp. So both method you can use to calculate the sample variance. Now to use this function we have two choice. First one is using SQLRPGLE program and second one is using normal query. I will show you both. So for the first one, through SQLRPGLE program you can simply declare one constant which is SQL state underscore valid, and this constant we will use to verify the query at the end after query execution. And below to this I have declared one variable, result variable zoned 8, and this variable we will use to store the output which we are retrieving from the query. Afterwards we have set the commitment control to star none. So here I'm doing the same exec SQL set option commit none, and it is optional thing for you. And here is the main actual query. So here what we are doing, we just executed the SQL command for this query. Select variance underscore samp, which what it will do, it will calculate the sample variance for monthly salary column, and the output would be stored into the host variable result from table 1. Okay, so it will calculate the sample variance and store it into the result variable. Once query is executed, we will check for SQL state. If SQL state is equal to SQL state underscore valid, then display result, else display SQL state with the message query ended with an error, and then do endif inlr on. So let's quickly compile this program and see the output. So you can see it is printing output as 1286667. Alright. Now same thing, if you would like to implement over the query, then you can use this query. Select variance underscore samp for column monthly salary, which is from table 1, and here I'm using the alias name as sample var, because here we are not using any host variable, so we just use this alias name so that it would come above the value. So if I hit enter, you can see it is printing the value 1286666 something. This is the actual value. In program, like, it prints the value till 1.28667 because of the data type and data length, but here it is printing the entire value. Alright, so as we discussed that there is alternative function name also, so you can also use this var underscore samp. So if I hit enter, you can see same value here also it is printing same value. So this is not only for the query, like because after all we are executing the query from the SQLRPGLE program, so there also you can utilize this function var underscore samp or variance underscore samp. Both function will work. So yeah, that's a way through which we can easily calculate the sample variance for the column. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Sharmit.